Hi, good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to present one of the ACSM program, Advocacy, Communication, and Social Mobilization. Among these three components, I have chosen the advocacy. Now, let us explore the meaning, importance, and objective, and the key strategies of advocacy as well as its role in achieving better public health and sustainable development. Let's begin with the advocacy program Voice for Change. Empowering communities influencing policy, a rigorous examination of how organized advocacy transform in a social, environmental, and health-related landscape, grounded, evidence-driven by the community. What is advocacy? Advocacy are systematically organized evidence-informed effort driven structural change across social, environmental, and public health domains rooted in a democratic theory and social movement. Scholarship advocacy operates at the intersection of research community, mobilization, and policy influence. Another explanation on what advocacy is, it's amplify voices, influence decision makers, and mobilize community. There is a cultural anthropologist named Margaret Mead. He quote that never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. There are the four pillars objective of advocacy. Because it is effective advocacy program are anchored, clearly articulated objective that breeds the community needs with a measurable engagement or a policy outcomes. These four pillars from the strategic foundation of any rigorously advocacy initiative. First is a raise awareness. Second, influence policy, building coalition, and empower communities. There are also a key elements on effective advocacy. The advocacy effort must articulate specific time-bounded objectives aligned with the validated evaluation frameworks. Without measurable benchmark, impact cannot rigorously assess or replicated. This is the clear goal of measurable outcome. The second one is a narrative evidence grounded in a phenomenological research, humanize abstract policy issue, making them accessible to both the public and policymaker. That is a storytelling through live experience. The third is a cross-sector partnership multiply advocacy research coalition that includes grassroots organization, academic institution, and policy intermediaries. Demonstrate greater legislative success rate is the coalition building with the stakeholders. And lastly, the strategic use of medical and digital platforms. This is the evidence-based media strategy, including social media and digital organization tools, extend message reach and accelerate public agenda setting. There are also four strategies of advocacy success. the personal narratives, direct engagement, social media, monitor, and evaluate. These are the evidence-based practice. Successful advocacy is not improvisational. It draws on behavioral science, communication theory, policy analysis to design intervention with the highest probability of impact. These four strategies form is continuous advocacy cycle. Personal narratives create emotional resonance, direct engagement, translate that resonance into a policy action, digital amplification scales the message, and rigorously evaluation to ensure the accountability and continuous improvement. There are also challenges in advocacy work. The limited resources and funding, sustaining momentum over time, resistance from policymaker and industry, and ensuring inclusivity and representation. Even well-designed advocacy program encounter structural, political, and resource-based barriers. Understanding these challenges through a scholarly lens allow practitioners to anticipate obstacles and build resilience into campaign design. To conclude this presentation, advocacy as a catalyst for change. Because across discipline, from public health to environmental science to social policy, the evidence is clear. Organized advocacy is one of the most powerful mechanisms for structural change availability to civil society. There are 85 plus countries impacted, 85% of forests protected, and millions of youth mobilized. There is a call of action. Yeah. Why? Because whether you are a researcher, community organizer, not-profit leader, or concerned citizen, your voice grounded in evidence and amplified through coalition is a force of structural transformation. The takeaway for this presentation is advocacy programs are not merely expression or dissent. They are rigorously evidence-informed intervention that transforms societies. Collective voice, when organized strategically, can reshape policy, culture, and institution. And it's also not a single event. It is a sustained, iterative practice of civic engagement, evidence generation, and collective action. To further reading, this is my reference. This is Aileen Parocha. Thank you for listening.